Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Lucky Learning Info. Today our video is about vitamins and mineral rich food that helps to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. First, let us know the reason for hair loss. There are many reasons like heredity, stress, hormonal imbalance, etc. And one of the most important reason is lack of some vitamins and minerals in our food such as biotin, niacin, vitamin C, zinc and iron. So by taking these vitamins and minerals in our diet can help prevent hair loss in both men and women and helps in hair growth. One of the best vitamin for hair growth is B vitamin called biotin. Now let us see foods rich in biotin and niacin are. First one, almonds, spinach, eggs, peanut, banana, avocado, mushrooms, sweet potato and salmon. By including biotin foods in our regular diet helps to promote hair growth. Now let us see some of the vitamin C rich foods. First one, papaya. It acts as a natural conditioner for hair. Next, tomato. Tomatoes nourish our hair and scalp. Next, kale. It helps in growth of thick hair. Next, oranges. It gives proper circulation to the scalp. Next, strawberries. It helps in preventing hair loss. Next, kiwi. It reduces hair fall and makes your hair stronger. Next one, guava. And the last one is snow pea. Lack of vitamin C leads to brittle hair and dandruff. So including any of these in your regular diet helps to our hair. Coming to minerals that are helpful to reduce hair fall and helps in growth of hair are zinc and iron. Now let us see some of the foods that are rich in zinc and iron. First one, cashew. Eating 4 to 5 cashew a day is good. It gives a smooth texture to the hair. Next one, legume. Legumes such as beans and lentils are great source of protein, iron, zinc and biotin. These are helpful for hair growth and repair the hair growth cycle. Next, dark chocolate. Due to presence of zinc and iron, it enhances cell growth and increases blood flow to the skin and scalp. Next one, shellfish. Next one, meat. Due to presence of protein, it helps to repair and strengthen hair follicles. Next one, milk and dairy products. Including these in our regular diet helps to hair growth. Next one, finger millets. It helps to reduce hair loss. And last one, sesame. It helps in strengthen the hair from the roots and deeply nourishes. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.